Well, the attorneys for the Martin family made it clear. The family was shocked and disgusted that Zimmerman took the stand today. They say the only reason he's saying he's sorry now is because he wants out of jail. And, of course, it made for a very dramatic moment after the bond hearing. Let's watch how that happened.
Tracy Martin had tears in his eyes as he watched the killer of his son. And it was devastating that he got to give a self-serving apology to help him get a bond. Sabrina had to really calm Tracy Martin down, because as a man, as a father, sitting there watching the killer of his son in that courtroom, being protected, their son is dead. This is a time when most parents of 17-year-old children are helping them plan prom. Well, Tracy and Sabrina Martin won't be helping Trayvon get a suit for prom. Almost 50 days ago, they had to find a suit to bury him in.
Wow. I mean, it's just still such a sad, sad story. Trayvon's family sees this apology on the stand simply as an attempt at a get-out-of-jail-free card for Zimmerman's Sonny. Do you agree, as somebody who's spent a lot of time in the courtroom, that that's what was going on with that apology?
Well, certainly it was unusual, and I will tell you this because I've spoken to some of the Martin family attorneys. George Zimmerman, through his attorney Mark O'Mara, did reach out to the Martin family and asked for a private meeting so that he could apologize to them and could speak to them. The family did not want that. They wanted more of a public statement about what happened that night. They wanted perhaps a deposition. They wanted full transparency, full disclosure. They did not want this type of apology, and I think that is also leading to the outrage. But let me say this, AJ, I don't know that this helped him in the short term. I agree with Judge Alex. I don't know that the judge considered that, but I think it may have harmed him, because if you listen to what he said things that were very inconsistent with what he said before. In particular, he said that he thought Trayvon Martin was just a little bit younger than he is. Well, George Zimmerman is 28. On the 911 call, he said that he was a kid, that he was a teenager in reference to Trayvon Martin. So we already have an inconsistency from his very mouth. And so I don't know in the long run if that was a gamble that will pay off.
Yeah, how do the Miranda rights go? Anything you say can or will be held against you in a court of law.